Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just a quick one. It's an arts and craft one. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this flower garland hoop here. So it didn't take me too long to make. I mean, it can be a little bit fiddly. But I've made these for an up and coming cake smash shoot that I'm doing. But it could also be used in family shoots, sitter shoots. So yeah, I'm going to be attempting to make one of these for you today. And then I'll show you the finished product at the end of the other one. To make the flower garland hoops, you will need a hula hoop. This one I bought actually in Poundland, but it's a smaller size, so I've gone for a children's size hula hoop. You'll need some spray paint. I've gone for a metallic gold one. This one I got on Amazon, but you can get it in Hobbycraft. You'll need some sort of glue. I'm using a glue gun. Some string. I've got some like brown string here. You may need some scissors as well, and you will need some flowers. Now I'm using fake flowers so I can keep mine and reuse them. So I've got a variety of like fake pink roses, white ones, lots of different foliage as well. Got fake gyp, fake lavender here, and some lovely white flowers. These you can get online on eBay and Amazon. I actually bought mine in Dunelm as I wanted them to kind of look as realistic as possible, but you can pick them up most places. They're just not the cheapest, unfortunately. So that is all you really need to make the flower garland hoop. So I'm going to go off and spray paint now. Once you've painted your hoop the colour you want it, I've done mine gold, the next stage is to take your string and wrap it around the hoop. I've already done mine just because it's a little bit fiddly, but you wrap it around, then I've just tied the two ends together. You can then secure it with a bit of glue, or you can leave it like that. So now it's a case of adding the flowers. So I've got a few here all ready to go. So yeah, it's about then thinking how you might want them. So for example, I'm thinking of having this little bit of lavender hanging down one side. So something like that. Or on this side, I'm thinking maybe this side, because on my other hoop, I've got it going down on the other side. So yeah, so then you take your glue gun and you just want to pop a load of glue along there. Press it down. Now obviously you'll see what I've done there. I've just put my finger in the glue. It is very hot, so you do have to be mindful of that. You just want to hold it and hope that it does stick. So that's half stick. It is pinging up on the top there, so let's press that down a bit more. There we go. Then what you can obviously do is you'll be able to then overlap flowers on this bit, like you pop one on here, you can use a bit of foliage. So I might cut this down but put it over there, so then you'll hide the initial stick. But I'm going to get gluing, and you'll see at the end how hopefully it turns out all right. Right, so here we go. I think I'm all done. So I've glued all of these on all around here. I mean, I've got lots of flowers left, like more pink roses, more white flowers, more foliage that I may go and add in, but I didn't want this one quite as full as the other hoop that I've made. I wanted this one a little bit quieter in a way, but I'm going to see if I can hold it up to give you an idea, but I will attach obviously photos of it. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. So that is the hoop. There's all the different flowers. So I'm quite happy with that. I had some problems with the glue, as you can see, sort of there, it wouldn't really stick. But I think we've got a nice selection, and I've got more flowers left over, so I may do another one. But that is how you make a flower garland hoop, basically. And these can be used for all different sorts of backgrounds. I mean, they could use for parties, but I'm hoping to use mine for cake smashers, maybe even sitter shoots. Could even be used for family shoots. There's just a bit of decoration in the background. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you do make any of your own, then please do show me them. Show me in the comments, that would be brilliant. And if you want to see more videos of photography related things or arts and crafts, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you could give this video a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to see behind the scenes from the shoots that these will be used in, if you follow my Instagram and Facebook, then I will be sharing them up there as well. So thank you for watching. Bye.